Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a look at a drone that really stands out from the crowd, the V-Coptr Falcon. Right away, you notice its incredibly unique V-shaped design. Unlike traditional quadcopters with 4 arms, this one features just 2, angled upwards like wings. This isn't just for looks. The manufacturer claims this bi-copter configuration significantly improves both stability and overall efficiency during flight. And that efficiency translates directly into one of the V-Coptr Falcon's most impressive features, its flight time. We're talking up to a staggering 50 minutes in the air. Think about that. Most conventional drones are lucky to hit 25 or 30 minutes. This extended endurance means you have so much more time to capture that perfect shot, explore a larger area, or just enjoy the flight without constantly worrying about the battery level. Coupled with that long flight time is an impressive transmission distance. The V-Coptr Falcon boasts a range of up to 7 kilometers. That's a massive area you can cover, allowing for expansive aerial views and the ability to fly much further out while maintaining a reliable connection back to the controller. Now, let's talk about the camera system, because what's a drone without a great camera? The V-Coptr Falcon is equipped with a camera capable of capturing stunning 4K UHD video resolution. This means your aerial footage should be incredibly clear, sharp, and packed with detail. It also captures still photos at an effective resolution of 12 megapixels, which is standard for good quality aerial photography. Crucially, the camera is mounted on a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. This is essential for smooth, stable footage, even when the drone is moving or encountering wind. The gimbal works to counteract any shakes or tilts, keeping your horizon level and your video looking professional. For those new to flying drones, the V-Coptr Falcon is listed as beginner-friendly. It's also app-controlled, which is standard for modern drones, making it easy to operate from your smartphone or tablet. The combination of its unique design, exceptional flight time, long range, and high-quality stabilized camera makes the V-Coptr Falcon a really interesting option in the drone market, especially for anyone prioritizing endurance and a distinctive look. It's certainly not your average drone.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.